Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial we're gonna talk about sternum bone. Sternum bone is also known as breastbone. It lies in the anterior aspect of the chest, in the middle of the chest. Here, this is the sternum bone. The sternum bone is divided into three parts. The uppermost part is known as manubrium. The middlemost part and the longest part is known as body, and the lowermost part and the smallest part is known as xiphoid process. The function of the sternum is it protects the internal thoracic viscera such as heart, lungs, esophagus. The type of sternum is flat bone. Now let's discuss each part of sternum in detail. This part is known as, first we isolate the sternum. Here we have sternum. This trapezoid shaped part of sternum is known as manubrium. It is the uppermost part of the sternum. Now let's discuss its bony features. The superior-most part of the manubrium is concave in shape, which produces a depression known as jugular notch. Here, this notch, this depression is known as jugular notch. On both sides of the jugular notch, there are fossas, large fossas. They articulate with the medial ends of the clavicles, forming sternoclavicular joints. At the lateral edges of the manubrium, here is the lateral edge of the manubrium, there is a facet which articulates with the costal cartilages of the first rib, costal cartilage from this side and from this side. On the lateral edges of the manubrium, there is also a demifacet for the second costal cartilage of the second rib. Demifacet means half facet, and half of the facet is lies at the body of the sternum. This facet articulates with the costal cartilage of the ribs, second rib. Now let's talk about body. From here to here, this is body of the sternum. The body is the middle and the longest part of the sternum. It articulates with the manubrium at the from the superior side and articulates with the xiphoid process from the inferior side. It articulates with manubrium and forms sternal angle. The sternal angle is clinically used to count ribs as it marks the level of the second costal cartilages. At the lateral edges of the body, there are facets for the 3 to 6 ribs: costal cartilage of rib 3, costal cartilage of rib 4, costal cartilage of rib 5, and costal cartilage of rib 6 articulates with these facets on both sides. There is also a demifacets for costal cartilage of seventh rib, because half of the demifacet means half facet, because half facet lies at the xiphoid process of the sternum bone. Now, xiphoid process. Xiphoid process is a smallest part of the sternum and the lowermost part of the sternum. The xiphoid process is largely cartilaginous in structure and completely ossifies later on in life. It means that at a younger age the xiphoid process is cartilage, but later on it ossifies and transform into bone around the age of 40.